Today we will study about MapReduce execution pipeline. You can see a high-level Hadoop execution architecture. In this a driver is there, then input format. You can see input data is there, then record reader mapper, then reducer process consists of reducer, writer, and then an output data. This is a high-level Hadoop execution architecture. The following are the main components of MapReduce execution pipeline. First is driver. You can see driver in this. So this is the main program that initializes a MapReduce job, and it defines job specific configuration, and it specifies all of its components including input and output formats, mapper and reducer, use of a combiner, use of a custom partitioner, and so on. Then you can see a context. The context means the driver, mappers and reducer are executed in different process, typically on multiple machines. A context object, it is not shown in figure. It is available at any point of MapReduce execution. Then you can see input data is there. Input data, this is where the data for a MapReduce task is stored. Then input format is there. This defines how input data is read and split. We can see input format. In this we can see different components. One is input split. So input split means it defines a unit of work for a single map task in a MapReduce program. Then a record reader is there. The record reader actually reads the data in source. And there is mapper. Mapper performs the user-defined work of the first phase of map program. Then partition is there. The subset of intermediate key space K2 V2 produced by each individual mapper is assigned to each reducer. Then shuffle is there. And the process of moving map outputs to the reducer is known as shuffling. Then sort. Each reduce task is responsible for processing the values associated with several intermediate keys. So the set of intermediate values key value pairs for a given reducer is automatically sorted by Hadoop to form key value pairs before they are presented to the reducer. Then reducer is responsible for execution of user provided code for the second phase of job specific work. Then output format is there. The way that output job is written is governed by the output format. Then a record writer is there. It defines how individual output records are written. There are two optional components of MapReduce execution, that is combiner and distributed cache. This is an optimal processing step that can be used for optimizing MapReduce job execution. And distributed cache is there. This is additional facility used in MapReduce jobs in distributed cache. It enables the sharing of data globally by all nodes on the cluster. So this is all about this topic, MapReduce execution pipeline.